Good afternoon, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. All right, notes and bonds. The middle of we're not necessarily the middle, but we're in the second big sell-off of the year. Treasuries are getting hammered after a slightly higher start to the week. This is about 2.5, 3 weeks of the yields jumping, and all this is in front of a big unemployment number on Friday. Sell-off picked up steam last week as the boons over in Europe finally succumbed to some profit-taking, probably triggered by comments from a couple of well-known U.S. Fixed income fund managers that they were vulnerable, and the flight urge has reverberated to treasuries as the spread between the two countries, which is wide. German rates were down at 0.15. They've jumped up to maybe 0.40. We were down at 2.5. We've jumped up to 2.87. Since our rates don't have any implicit currency speculation as the boon does, I mean, we just may be really mispriced here. Anyways, a jump from just 2.5 to 2.87 is about 6%, which is a huge loss of principal and something that will only yield the 2.87 on an annual basis. So that's the dilemma fixed income managers are wrestling with right now, and it's really brought some volatility into these markets. I wouldn't be in any hurry to pick a bottom in these things. U.S. economic numbers, slight pickup on them could put some more pressure on Yellen and other Fed governors who would like to make a move off zero in the short-term rates. She speaks Wednesday. A number of them speak during the week. However, as usual, Friday's number will probably tell the tale. The expectations are relatively low after last week's last month's rather kind of debacle in these things. 175 to 200, I believe, is what they're looking for. A stronger number will really make people wonder whether or not long-term interest rates have made a major low in yield, and we've got nothing to do but go higher. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Please give me a ring. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.